Hello everyone, welcome to day 64 of a Stitch a Day 365 days crochet challenge. In today's video, we're going to see this fun popcorn stitch which has a nice 3D texture and it can be popped onto the other side as well. It's more like my fiddling with a poppet board. Okay, can you see? You can actually pop the popcorn stitch onto the other side. Right? So this stitch is worked on a row of odd numbers if you are doing it onto a foundation row, or even numbers if you are making a foundation chain and crocheting. This is also a 2-row repeat stitch and it can be crocheted to any length that you want. You can see the texture of the stitch. Okay, now let's get right into the pattern. Here I have a odd number of foundation single crochet rows. Now to start off the popcorn stitch, chain 1 and make 1 single crochet onto the first chain. Now into the next one we are going to do the popcorn stitch. Start off by making 5 double crochet stitches all into the same stitch from the previous row. You can choose to do 3, 5 or 7. The number of strands in one popcorn stitch you can decide. You can see that it's kind of creating like a shell. So here I have 5 double crochet stitches. Pull out a loop. Now go on to the very first stitch and then take this loop from the front. Okay, I'm not taking the loop from back to front like this. I'm going from front to back and pull it out of the 2 stitches. Okay. If you want a reversible popcorn, just yarn over and pull out of 2 so that it can be reversed. When you directly pull out, it's going to create a slip stitch and you'll not be able to reverse the stitch. Okay, I'm going to yarn over and pull out. Pull this as tight as possible so that the bulge is seen. Now move on to the next stitch and make 1 single crochet. We are going to crochet everything on a little looser end so that you're able to adjust the size of the popcorn accordingly. So I'm going to continue making this till the end of the row. And 5. Again pull out a loop, go from the front, and this loop also we are going to take it from the front. Okay. Now yarn over, pull out of 2 loops, make it tight so that you get the stitch popped out and make 1 single crochet. So just like this you have to continue making till the end of the row. You can see that the work, it's getting curled up. Don't worry about it, it will straighten out when you make the consecutive rows. Your row ends with a single crochet stitch. We started off with a single crochet and it ends with a single crochet. So here we have our first row of popcorn stitch. Now the next row is just a row of single crochets where you make one single crochet into each stitch. So one single crochet in between the popcorn stitch and one on top of the popcorn stitch. And then you again continue making the popcorn stitch onto the next row. Okay. Again, the row starts with one single crochet and in the next one we'll be making a popcorn stitch. So do try out the stitch, and if you have any doubts, please leave it in the comment section below and we'll definitely get to it. And if you pop this out, you can see you can actually make it like alternate stitches popped out on the other side so that both the sides look the same. Okay, so this is all about the popcorn stitch. Do try it out and I'll meet you tomorrow with yet another interesting crochet pattern. Thank you.